Hey everyone! Today we are going to create this beautiful chart effortlessly using PlotSet. Let's get started by navigating to PlotSet.com. It's a free platform that helps you turn your raw data into stunning visuals. So go ahead and create your account for free. Once you're logged in, click on the PlotSet AI Tools menu on the left side, and then switch to the Visualize Text tab. Here's where the magic begins. Just paste the text you want to visualize. In just a few seconds, PlotSet will read and understand your text, and it generates a beautiful relevant chart from it. Then head over to the Chart tab to see your visual. Want to tweak your chart? You can manually adjust things or just ask the AI to do it for you. Now I'm asking the AI assistant to change the bar colors to these specific shades, and just like that, they're applied in seconds. Now let's bring this chart to Figma. I'll export it as an SVG file and import it in my Figma project. I'm gonna add this paper textured background image to make it pop. I also like to give it a 3D effect, so I'm going to use these shadows to make the bars pop. Let's complete the design by adding little tooltips for each bar. And to make my design consistent, I'm going to use a font that matches the style. Voila! In just a few minutes, we've gone from plain text to this beautiful customized chart, ready to present, publish, or share. Let me know in the comments what kind of data you would like to visualize next. You can use PlotSet to create all sorts of charts without any limitation. So if you haven't already, go to PlotSet.com and sign up for free.